Alright, now we're going to do angles, which is in the, you have an angle like this, or like that. Most guys only do one side of the angle, and that's a good habit if you don't have the skill level and you have plenty of house to stay on. I kind of get in the habit of doing both sides of the angle, but I put it on with a 6. Pull it off with an 8. There's both sides of an angle. Would not expect to be able to do that right away. Normally you want to do one side when you're first learning. I don't know if you, those white guys just don't ever do anything but one side. It's so hot, my knives are drying out. I'm getting mud on them. We hang on. Need to hear that constant clank clank, sometimes 3 times. That's you pulling the mud, excess mud off of your knife. You need to be doing that all the time. Hear that clank clank clank? Throw it in the corners that another big gap and attention to detail. When you're hot, it's hot. When it's hot, it's hot. You see this spot there?
Now, man, I'll tell you where not to break a joint. Never break a joint right there.
It's almost guaranteed to break, crack right there. Because that door is going to be constantly shaking that wall. And that movement is going to want to be right there.
That door right there shutting is going to force it that way, it's going to make it move.
It'll crack.
And this is how you know they didn't know how to hang drywall.
Where they pulled it out, where they pulled it out, where they pulled it out. Put it all one way, take it off the other.
Sometimes I do that. Sometimes I take it off the same way. Depends on where you're at and what you got.
This right here, behind John, this is where a blister is. That is caused by a lack of mud behind that tape.
Yeah,
You know who
we
did that?
call that the eggshell. Because when it dries, you can hear it right there.
Crack, 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 crack.
Sounds like eggshell cracking.
Yeah, I wonder who did that. Not you. I am.
Yeah,
What you do is you take that little knife and you cut it like that.
which happens.
And there you will see that there is no mud behind it. But that's an easy fix. Now it's not a blister.
It happens.
He created an incision here.
Huh?
He did an incision.
Yeah.
What is it?
He said you did an incision surgery.
Mm-hmm.
That'll suck up.
But the guts didn't fall out because it didn't have nothing there to fall out. I almost got all them.
Every time I look at John, it reminds me of like Hulk Hogan with the beard.
Well, I tell you, I like to break my Hulk Hogan move out on these hangers.
Man, I guess we'll show you the skim coat tomorrow. We'll probably have everything pretty much bed in today. Providing I don't quit early, because I got reggae music playing in my soul.
You got what?
Reggae music playing in my soul.
Reggae.
Reggae.
Reggae. What's that?
That's your redneck right there. Don't know what reggae is. Baby,
Is he calling me a redneck?
He's proud of being.
So what are you?
Brown
Yo neck? Dark skin yo neck?
Yeah. John's my suffer no evil guy, suffer no fools guy. That's John. The John I know suffers no fools. All I've ever known is you see somebody that's being a fool, he will not put up with it. He will make him embarrassed that he was a fool. So, suffer no fool, John.
Hi, everybody.
The guy I worked with 35 years ago called me Pure D. Hell. I'm sure you can figure out that nickname all by
And
yourself.
his name is John Hale.
But he called me Pure D. Hell. And I think it was because some guy didn't want to pay us one day. And he told me his son was going to take care of me. So I went on top of the roof, and his son said, "You can take the 2x4, throw the ladder on the ground, because I ain't coming down for none of that." And then I went back down, and Daddy paid me the $3,000. The end.
All right, let's
Wait until we got done with the house.
see if I can get down through the hallway. I've had a lot of people try not to pay me. I went in, I did a bunch of blue board, which you put hard coat on. That's in Florida, and I did a bunch. I was making $1,000 a day, and he owed me about $4,000. It's down in Ocala, Florida, and he said, "Phil, I can pay you right now." I said, "Why not? Did you go to the casino or something?" Because it was a game. I ain't answering that. I'm just not paying you. I said, "Well, there ain't gonna be nobody doing no hard coat down there." He said, "Well, they're on it tomorrow." So I went down there with a pump-up sprayer and put motor oil in it and sprayed all over the place. I had to take that blue board down.
I would never do nothing like that.
No, of course not. Then I replaced that blue board. Took them a while. And then when getting ready to do the hard coat again, I was already working somewhere else. I came over at night and used soap on the blue board.
That made it paint real good.
I wrote all kind of stuff on the wall board, that blue board. And whenever you put hard coat on it, it goes on there and it hardens. That's work. You got to put it on there and keep working.
I bet everybody thought your vocabulary was all 4 letter words.
There was a lot of adjectives and nouns, pronouns and adverbs, yeah. So I wrote all over it, and all that area where the soap was, it cracked and came off. So you can literally see what I
You
wrote.
wrote in Spanish and English.
So when it dried, it came off?
It came off, yeah. So Marty McKee, he knew where I was working for. I was working for Colson Wright General Contractors then, taking work for him. And he said, hey, what's it going to take to get you to stop? I said, you need to pay me what you owe me. And he did. He paid me. And from that point on, I never had time him paying me. Or his partner, which would end up being another guy. Nope, I got paid.